This is just a little test here for the SPY. Let's see if I can figure this out. I'm gonna buy a put, so I bought here at 390. Let's see, it costs up to 220. Let's go ahead and check this one out here in the, let's go to active trader. Okay, got my fill. So right now the SPY is crawling up. So the more the SPY crawls up, the further this should go down. So let's hope this bounce isn't too strong, I guess. Either way, this is a bit of a dead cat bounce here. So let's see how this performs.
So the option starts at 50 and becomes worth less, and less, all the way to the point that if you don't exercise it, you took the loss of paying for an option and not exercising it. And then any stock price above that, you just took a $10 loss.
So yeah, if this keeps pushing, this will have a little flag pattern here. That's kind of what I'm shooting for. I'm up $7 on it. I'm not even really sure how to close this one. Too close, so yeah, I would sell one SPY weekly at the 390. It's weird that I don't have any P&L here.
3, 2, 1, 0. Ignition.
Uh-oh, it actually found support. Look how quick it moves, it's crazy. A lot of resistance though, right around here. Here we go, this might be my exit. Uh-oh, 32 is heavy. Nope, okay, I got filled. That's crazy. Made $14. Okay, let's think about this again. If I go to active trader and all products on the SPY, and I basically just did that again. Buy. I was at the 390. My mind is a little blown right now, I'm not gonna lie.